Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to compile and run C and C++ program using GNU GCC compiler in Ubuntu 23.10 operating system. So first I logged into the terminal. First let me check whether C and C++ compiler of GCC is installed or not. So these are the commands to check whether C and C++ is available by default or not. So GCC for C and G++ for C++. Okay. Now you can see that I have two programs. Okay, welcome.c and hello.cpp, C and C++ file. Let me show that. So this is the C file and it's using stdio.h library and print the welcome message. This is hello.cpp which use iostream library and print the welcome message. Okay, now let me show you how to compile the C program. Okay, so this is the command. You can see output file will be created. Now let me run the output file. Yes. So I can compile and run the C program. Now let me show you how to compile and run the C++ program. Yes. So C++ program compiled successfully. Let me run that. Yes. So output is printed successfully. So this is the way we need to compile and run C and C++ program using GCC compilers. Now I am going to show you one important thing. So I am going to compile the program with -h option. Okay, this -h option will give you the information about the header files. What are the header files used by this program and what are the header files loaded in the memory stack. So this much of header files used by the single C program. Okay, now let me show you for C++, G++ -h. So this is for C++. You can see this much of header files used by C++ program. So first line you can see that iostream is used by this program. And these are the other header files loaded in the memory stack. So this command will be useful for the beginners who does not know where the library files are located. Okay. So now let me show you usr lib directory. Sorry, usr include directory. So usr include directory contains header files for C and separate location for C++ header. usr include /C++ will show you the header files used by C program.